Raja from St. Joseph School. Today, I'm giving my reflection on the topic Freedom or Death, spoken by Emily Pankhurst after the American Civil War 1930. I'm here as a soldier who has temporarily left the field at battle in order to explain what civil war is like when civil war is waged by women. I'm not only here as a person who, according to law codes of my country, is of no value to the community at all, and I just because of my life to be a dangerous person. Under sentence of penal servitude, I do not look either very like a soldier or very like a convict, and yet I'm both. In our civil war, people have suffered. You cannot make omelets without breaking it. You cannot have civil war without damaging to something. But the greatest thing is to see that no more damage is done is absolutely necessary. That you do just as much as will arouse enough feeling to bring about peace. To bring about an honorable peace for the combatants, and that is what you have been doing. Put them in prison, they said. That will stop it. But it didn't stop it. They put women in prison for long terms of imprisonment. And the bad was when they look expression, petitions in their hands to the doors of the Houses of the Commons. They thought that by sending them to prison, giving them a day's imprisonment would cause you all settle down again and there would be no further trouble. But it didn't happen at all. Instead of women giving it up, more women did it. More and more women did it until 300 women at a time had not broken a single law, made a nuisance of themselves, as the politician says. Well, they thought they must go a little more farther, and then they began imposing punishments of a very serious crime. The judges sentenced me last May to 3 years penal servitude for certain speeches in which I had accepted the responsibilities for the Violence Act done by the other women, said that if I could say, I was sorry. They very little know what women are. Women are slow to rouse, but once they are aroused, once they are determined, nothing on earth and nothing in heaven will make women give way. It is impossible. So here I am. I come here in the intervals of being 4 times imprisoned under the Cat and Mouse Act, and probably going back to be rearrested as soon as I will set my foot on the British soil. I come here to ask you to help me to win this fight, and if you win it, this will be the hardest of all fights. And to be sure, in future, it will be made more easier to women to win their fight when their turn comes. Thank you, and have a good day.
ओके, थैंक यू राजेश्वरी जी. पुट योर हैंड. एक छोटी सी बच्चे के लिए आप लोग तालियों से स्वागत करें. और अगले पार्टिसिपेट है